Hi guys, for today's video guys, ayan, good vibes lang kami guys. Oh, ang ganda-ganda namin guys. Ang ganda-ganda, ang ganda-ganda. Hi guys, good morning.
And good morning, good afternoon already.
Ay, happy pala afternoon na pala. So please guys, subscribe my YouTube channel guys.
Yeah, and we're sending a story and
Gagawa tayo ng short video ngayon kasama ng aking anak. Ayan. Sige, invite people.
Invite people daw.
Sige na.
Please subscribe my mom YouTube channel. The Buba's Pretty.
Balik din ba? Balik ba?
No.
Ayan guys. Ayan guys. At itong channel kong ito guys, parang family vlog na ito. At saka, siyempre, hindi naman masamang mangarap, di ba anak? Masama pang mangarap?
No.
O, di ba? Sige, invite again. Hi people!
Hi people, subscribe my mom YouTube channel, The Buba's Pretty Vlog.
And then,
kung di nyo makita, hanapin nyo.
Sa ibang dako naman ang mundo.
Ay, The Buba's Vlog pala yun.
The Buba's Vlog.
Oh, The Buba's Vlog.
Dati kasi, The Buba's Pretty Channel, pinalitan namin for short, The Buba's Vlog. Sige na, invite again pa.
Naman ako, dagal, kasama ko ang group mo eh.
Ayan guys, good vibes lang guys at nangangarap din naman ako. I hope matulungan niyo ang aking pangarap. Di ba guys? Love you all and be safe always. And Kung Hee Pa Choi, dahil Chinese New Year ngayon, Kung Hee Pa Choi po, I love you. Sa lahat ng mga Chinese, i-greet ang lahat ng mga Chinese. All the people of Chinese.
Ay, Happy Chinese New Year sa Chinese people.